He is referring to a prophecy of Rasul Karim sallallahu alaihi wasallam, which is mentioned in Muslim Sharif. Rasul Karim sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that Allah will reveal to promised Messiah that inni qad akhrajtu ibadah is awhallahu ila Isa inni qad akhrajtu ibadan li la yadani liqitalihim. So his question is whether Hazrat Masih Islam has received any such revelation from Allah.
This revelation is about Hazrat Masih Maud. The mullahs object that Hazrat Masih Maud forbade people to raise sword against the British. While this hadith definitely tells us that according to Allah, Hazrat Masih Maud will be told not to raise swords against the superpowers because they will invite their destruction. Now this wahi has been revealed to Rasul Karim sallallahu alaihi wasallam repeatedly, as Masih Maud repeatedly, that and in that one of the verses of Masih Maud he refers to this wahi, یہ حکم سن کے جو بھی لڑائی کو جائے گا وہ دشمنوں سے سخت ہزیمت اٹھائے گا. After listening to this order, whoever rejects it and defies it and goes to the enemy to fight, he will be completely annihilated and defeated. So this is exactly what's happening in the world. Against superpowers, the small nations of Muslims nowadays can't do anything. They think that they have destroyed and overpowered a part of their power, but then they respond with such fury that completely destroys them. So this is the wahi of Hazrat Masih Maud, which he has said this in this verse, and which was repeatedly revealed to him.